भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
मुझे विश्वास है हर हिंदुस्तानी इस संकट का न सिर्फ सफलता से मुकाबला करेगा, बल्कि इस मुश्किल घड़ी से विजयी होकर निकलेगा।
जय 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 हो, जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा 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 इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
Good morning everyone. Today we are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day of our country. It is very important that we should remember each one of our freedom fighters. Children, we are celebrating Independence Day as our national festival. On this day, we should take an oath that we will fight against Corona and make our country free from Corona. Once again, I wish a very happy Independence Day to all. So children, stay at home and fight against Corona. Now, watch your friend's speech and your teacher's song.
Very good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my all dear friends. We all are excited celebrating this great day in such an excellent manner. We are gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of our nation. First of all, we host our honorable national flag that gives a salute to all heroic deeds of the freedom fighters. I am feeling so proud to be an Indian citizen. I have such a great chance to give a speech on the Independence Day in front of you all about the freedom of India. We celebrated Independence Day every year on 15 August because India got freedom on the right of 14th of August in 1947. Just after the Independence Day of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had given a speech on the Independence Day in New Delhi. When people all over the world were sleeping, people in India were waking to get freedom of life from the British rule. Now, after the independence, India has been the largest democratic country in the world. Our country is the most famous country for the saying of unity in diversity. It faced many incidents testing its secularism. However, India people become always ready to answer with their unity. Two. Now, let's talk about the Indian showing of their talent of an international level. Shall we? India signed off the Tokyo Games with 7 medals. Javelin throw, Neeraj Chopra won India's first ever track and field Olympic gold medal in Tokyo. While PV Sindhu won bronze in badminton. Lavlina Bhargava won a bronze medal in boxing. Mirabai Chanu won silver in weightlifting. And wrestlers Ravi Daya and Bajrang Punia clinched silver and bronze respectively. I feel great pride I'm talking about this man and woman of steel and thunder who made India proud to be a cheer about in these dark times of a deadly pandemic. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anandya Santosh Vaidya. First of all, I would like to convey my happiest greetings on this 75th Independence Day. On this auspicious day, I would like to salute all those brave soldiers who fought unitedly for the freedom of our great nation. 15th August 1947 is the day when India got independence from the British rule. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their life, and today it's our duty to remember all the freedom fighters of India. Our nation has gone through many difficult times, including wars, but we Indians have always united and gained victory over all the evil. First, it was the Britishers who ruled us, but now it's a dangerous invisible virus who has taken our freedom from us. It has affected all of us to a great extent. COVID is a dreadful disease which has created havoc in the lives of people and destroyed most of the economies of the world. But we Indians have always faced the worst difficulties with complete determination and have overcome the situation too. And we can gain our freedom which we used to enjoy during the pre-COVID times. Great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi have always stressed on the needs of maintaining clean surroundings and our personal hygiene, which is very essential to fight all kinds of deadly disease. And it's time that we follow his principles to fight this deadly virus. Our forefathers fought for the freedom of our country, and we are working towards making our country one of the strongest economies of the world. I would like to conclude saying that we being the future citizens of this country are very proud to be born in such a great nation. We are sure that the day is not so far when we will see COVID-free India and a country which would be one of the strongest economies of the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning to the respected headmistress, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Happy Independence Day. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of our nation. Today's day is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British who ruled for around our country 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Bahadur Shastri devoted their life for independence of our country. Many brave revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru sacrificed their lives for our nation's freedom. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. Today we have the right to choose our government. We are fortunate that we took birth in independent India, but we cannot take this independence for granted. We all must contribute for the country's development, and that no country can imagine to rule on us again. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on border to protect our country. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country's development and progress. Let us all the pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country of the world. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected principal, honorable chief guest, teachers, parents and my dear friends. At first, let me wish you all very happy Independence Day on 15th August 1947. We got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifice. Let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. This year, Olympics add glory to our nation. Our winners, Neeraj Chopra, Mirabai Chanu, Ravi Dahiya, Bajrang Punia has made us proud. India has set a record for the highest vaccination during against COVID-19.
नाव श्रवण सुभाष गुंड. मी आज स्वातंत्र्य दिन या विषयावर बोलणार आहे. आदरणीय गुरुजन व माझे प्रिय देशबांधव यांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. मी आज आपला 75वा स्वातंत्र्य दिन साजरा करीत आहोत. सर्वप्रथम माझ्या सर्व देशबांधवांना आपल्या देशाला ऑलिम्पिक खेळामध्ये सुवर्ण पदक मिळाल्याबद्दल हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. नीरज चोप्रा, पी.व्ही. सिंधू अशा अनेक खेळाडूंच्या आपल्या देशाचे नाव मोठे केले आहे. आपल्या देशाला स्वातंत्र्य मिळवून देण्यासाठी अनेक थोर क्रांतिवीरांनी आणि शूरवीरांनी प्रयत्न केले. नुसतेच प्रयत्न नाही तर आपल्या लाख मोलाच्या प्राणाची आहुती दिली. भगतसिंग, राजगुरू, सुखदेव, सुभाषचंद्र बोस, पंडित नेहरू, लोकमान्य टिळक अशा अनेक नेत्यांच्या लाख मौल्यवान योगदानामुळे आपला देश ब्रिटिश सरकारांच्या 150 वर्षाच्या जुलमी शासनातून मुक्त झाला. आजचा दिवस हा स्वातंत्र्य दिन बरोबरच अशा थोर क्रांतिवीरांच्या बलिदानाला सलाम करण्याचा आहे. विविधतेत एकता हीच आमची शान. म्हणूनच आहे आमचा भारत देश महान. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
On behalf of Mahila Samiti, I thank the committee members, teachers, non-teaching staff, parents and students for putting their continuous efforts towards the betterment of the children, even during this pandemic period. Stay home, be safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.